Oh, hello everybody. It's been a long time, but here's another one. Something's just arrived from China. Now, it's not the one that I posted in the section with a picture on it. That's a different one. That still hasn't arrived here yet. But this one has. So, let's have a look to see what's inside here. Now, I can tell you it's a Baofeng, or however you pronounce that word. I'm not going to say anything more till we open it. So let's get inside and let's see what it is. Oh dear. Okay, there we go. Right, so let's get this out. Now this came direct from China, from one of the manufacturers, and to be honest, I was extremely impressed by how fast it got here. I think it took 4 days. Unfortunately, it got hit by customs. So they opened it up, had a look at it, and I got a custom charge of $25. But anyway, whatever. So let's have a look at this. Baofeng digital mobile radio. Digital analog compatible, dual time slot, dual band. The usual SMS. Oh yeah, it's a DMR one. Now DMR, I've never worked with DMR. So we're just going to see how it goes. Anyway, so let's open it and find out what's in here. Okay, so let's get rid of that. So we've got power unit, got the radio itself. It comes with a charge with an programming cable. Okay, that's a first for me. Antenna. Oh, it's an in-ear mic headset type thing. Belt clip. Charging base unit. Oh, and a lanyard or a carrying cable, whatever you want to call it. What else is there? It's a digital mobile radio. Let's see. Oh, okay. This is all English. No, and this is different. This seems to be, although obviously I have to have a read through it, but that is an entirely English manual, and it seems to be quite comprehensive. Oh well, we'll soon find out when I try and read it as to how well it reads. As for that, you got the plastic at the bottom and whatever. So yeah, that's the box. So it's a radio. Let's have a look at the radio. So in the radio, at the bottom of the radio, with the box holding the radio, is the battery. It's lithium ion, 2200 milliamps. And the Baofeng. And it's identifying itself as the model is a DM1701. Maximum power 5 watt, 447 megahertz, and 400 to 470, and 136 to 174. So VHF, UHF. It's like a plasticky but a hard plastic. The knobs are quite stiff, but not too bad. Okay, so that's what you get so far. So let's just power it up. So the antenna. Now usually they come with some charge in a battery, so I wonder if it's any good as battery life is any good as my UV5R. I have one of those from 6 years ago, and it's my first ever radio, and it holds a charge like a trooper. It can be... Here we go. Anyway, talking about this now. Okay, so you've got... Just clicking through the different click switch here. That must be the different channels. Sing zone 1. Oh, looks like it's in Chinese, so I might have to go through the manual to change that. Okay, obviously a volume. Yeah, the language is in Chinese, so I might have to go through the manual to work out how the heck you change that. Okay, well let's... Oh, there we go. So there's a VHF and there's UHF. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Chinese. So I need to go through all that and work out how to do it. But basically, there we are. My new radio. So it may take me a little while to get to change the language and then start working with it. But as soon as I do, I will post another video on my first usage of it. It may include programming, I don't know, it just depends on how far I get with it. With having a child that's 6-year-old, getting this sort of time to myself is virtually non-existent, but that's why it's taken me a while to get onto this. Anyway, new Baofeng radio. VHF, UHF, analog and digital. So, I will put that down there for now, and I will say goodbye to you guys, and I will update you very shortly on programming, how I changed it to, because I need to change it for Chinese, because my Chinese is not very fluent, as to say, not at all. Anyway, I'll speak to you guys soon, and say bye.